Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear MRCS candidate, I would like to summarize my 15 years experience in examining MRCS as a short advice for you for the exam. Number one, clinical examination. A lot of stations depend on how you are skillful in doing clinical examination. And there are things that you need to do before and things that you need to do after. The things that you need to do before are 7 things, and remember them very well. Number one, introduce yourself. No need to mention your name, just say, I am one of MRCS candidate. I'm one of the examining candidates of today. Secondly, wash your hand. We always put where you wash your hand in very clear place in the OSCE station. Some of examiner put a small bottle of washing hand in their belt in order to avoid missing this step. Number three is a permission. We give a quick summary what you want to do. I'm going to examine your abdomen. This mean have a look, inspect, feel, and palpate. If you feel any pain, let me know. I will stop. This is an important paragraph that you should say. If you feel any pain, let me know and I will stop. After getting permission, chaperone. A lot of candidates think that chaperone is done when you have a female actor. No, it will be done when you have male or female actor. And what I advise you to say that the examiner will be our chaperone. Is that okay for you? This is important for you. And this step is missed quite a lot. Also, positioning the patient, always stand on the right side of the patient. In case of examining the neck, thyroid or lymph gland, you can do that from front and from the back. Exposure, always remind the examiner that you will do full exposure. So if you have a little bit of neck examination while the actor wear a collar, then can you unbutton your shirt, please? Or can you pull down your t-shirt, please, to have a look at the suprasternal node? Same with the abdomen, but we don't allow you to examine in near the genital area. So usually you would say full exposure. I will examine from xephisternum to both groin. Usually examiner will say you, well, this is enough. Consider this as full exposure and carry on. Also, you do general inspection quickly. If you cannot memorize all these 7 steps, remember the word I want PC pig. I want PC pig, which is the initial of all the 7 steps. Don't forget any of them, and I wish you all the best.